Customer buy akara now. They used to feel like I'm in that place.
Yeah, buy akara from us now. You can buy the akara from
You don't have akara.
Buy from us now. You want to buy
akara?
Don't forget to come and buy from us.
When you buy akara, come and buy akara, yeah. Customer.
Okay, friend.
Now my customer, so make you help. You are help for us.
Tomorrow we buy bread. See your jara.
Yeah. Give me a phone. I will chop my jara for you.
Customer.
You are getting. Alright, give me that.
Sorry. Thank you.
Akara,
See you, akara.
Thank you.
Thank you. Customer, come next time, oh. Come tomorrow.
Hey, Mama.
Eh?
Mama, father.
What is the meaning of that?
What?
What is the meaning of that? Where is the money?
Money for what, Mama?
Give me money for akara. Am I running a charity organization here? If you take akara, you pay.
What do you mean if you're running a charity organization? Am I not your son? Will I pay you for akara too?
Eh?
Akara.
Will you pay me?
I will pay you for akara. My own mother.
Yes, Daniel. Pay mama her money, oh. You are not selling credit here.
I will choke your eye now. Who are you? Who are you? Eh?
Daniel, you're taking another
When
one.
they gave birth to me, who are you? By this animal. Mommy, I'm enjoying myself now. Did you give me food this morning? No, you left without food. Nothing. Let me eat so I can have strength to play ball at the field.
Ball you are playing for who? Like I said before, I am not running a charity organization. It is this akara business that I used to feed a grown-up man like you. What is your problem? Give me the money.
Mama, it's okay. I don't worry. I'll give you 15 naira. You like money too much.
Bring the 15 and not I will give you. Give it to me.
I'll give you 15 naira.
Give it to me now.
So if I give you 50K, you will take.
Why won't I take it? It's not 15 naira. This is 100 naira. You know it's 300 naira.
Mama, Daniel needs to stop this nonsense he's doing, oh. He needs to stop it.
I will stop you now. You don't respect me.
Daniel, mind yourself.
Mind
yourself and pay me. Give me my money because. Daniel, what is your problem? Give me money.
What is it?
Pay money.
Pay before service.
Pay.
I don't have money here. I will give when I get home.
Bring your money.
Daniel, you are very, very stupid, senseless and useless.
Moi?
Yes. You are happy to be eating Mama thank you every time.
Mama,
you are not even ashamed of yourself.
Are you insulting me, the future star? You're insulting the future star of this village. Mama, you're insulting me because of akara. Ordinary akara.
Pay money. Pay us.
In fact,
give me.
I will take this akara.
Stop this nonsense. Daniel, give me.
Hey, Papa. I'm back.
I can see you are coming back from the field.
So tired.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Oh, Ma, today's match very tough.
Daniel. Daniel, what is it? Why are you doing this to yourself? Daniel, time waits for nobody. Daniel, your mates are out there doing something tangible for themselves, making money. You are here carrying football, carrying boots up and down, morning, afternoon, night. Daniel, look for something to do with your life. Please, my son.
But what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? I have told you people times without number that football is my passion. I have strong passion for football. I cannot do anything aside football. The only thing I need from you and Mama is your support, your prayers every time. I keep telling you people this thing. Why is it the hate speech is too much? It's becoming so unbearable. You're my parents. Every time I should stop playing football, I should go and make money. Papa, let me ask you, do you have money? You don't have money. So if I want to follow your footstep now, I will remain poor. Mama will come tomorrow. Daniel, don't play ball. Don't play ball. Make something useful with your life. Yet, everybody is poor. This is what I have been dreaming. This is my dream. I want to become a professional footballer. The only thing I need from you people is your support and not the hate speech. You people are killing me psychologically. Please.
Daniel, you want us to pray for you. What do you want us to pray for exactly? This useless career you are carrying football up and down. Is that what you want us to pray for? Or pray for a son who has decided to make his life useless? Is that what you want us to pray for Daniel?
Papa, I'm not useless. I'm not useless.
I'm not saying you are one, but you are moving to the point of becoming useless.
Papa, please, let's just end this conversation now. Please, let me go inside and freshen up.
And let me tell you, don't touch that soap in that bedroom. I bought it with my money. Don't touch it. Go and buy your own soap. Yes.
I should not touch your soap.
Don't touch my soap. Go and buy your own. You are old enough to buy things for yourself.
I should not touch your soap.
I've told you.
So, I will make it in this life.
I know you will make it.
This football.
Take a step to make it. Take a step to make it.
I will be like Jejo Kocha and Kano Wonko.
Thank you. I spent all the money to send you to school. I sent you to school. You come out as a graduate. Look for something to do with your life. You are carrying football from morning till night.
Slowly. Oh boy. This one your face dey like this. Are you okay?
Daniel, what's up now? You don't look happy at all. What's the problem? What's going on?
No. I don't feel like going home.
What
do you mean? No. Going to my house gives me concern. I wish I can go to somewhere else.
What are you talking about?
My brother, my family, my mother especially. That woman lay curses on me every single day because I have chosen football as my career. Like I'm so tired.
Is it that bad now?
Very bad though. Every single day my mother will abuse me that I play football. I cannot do anything to better my life. I cannot provide for my family.
Why would she do that?
I don't know. Every day she say I will go to the field, carry boots around, carry football around. Yet my mates are out there making money. I cannot provide. My own parents. It's so disheartening. Guys, you know what happened today? My own mother, the woman that gave birth to me, told me to pay for akara. Akara that she's selling. It's not funny, oh. It's not funny.
Serious?
You need to have seen the embarrassment. They embarrassed me. I was just running up and down the streets, carrying akara up, and my mother said I should pay akara.
Now what's happened?
I will tell you truth. My brother, honestly speaking, I don't have peace. No peace at home at all.
Well, since you don't have peace at home, at least I want you to be happy that you have peace.
What kind of tautology is that? What do you mean?
You don't understand.
I don't understand.
If you don't have peace at home, just be happy that you have peace. You hear me?
Alright, una dey mad o.
You see, I don't have sense.
Okay.
If you were smart,
Okay.
don't cook this one na coconut head, and you know the coconut. I mean, now, Momo, here you go. Upon easy ball, bam, you don't internet.
Okay, na easy ball now. So wait, now my girlfriend I dey talk about here. See, I get peace of mind.
Please get peace now.
You dey talk of peace of mind. Your girlfriend at peace.
I mean, you don't get that for house. You get that where your babe dey, so it's rest assured.
Crazy.
Guys, I bet more they go house.
Omo, I don't feel like going home. I don't tell you. I don't go anywhere. I don't want to go home.
Daniel, you don't have a choice. No matter how your family treats you, you still need to go home. You don't go come to my house now.
You could go in house.
Don't worry, forget your family.
But you go still go your house.
Nah, normal thing, eh?
I dey fear to go house. Imagine, man. I dey fear to go my own house. Eh? I want to see
punish poverty.
Everything is gonna last just for a while.
I don't know they go.
Don't take it to serious.
This is the house they comfortable for us now. I'm going to go your house.
Go cheap for today.
I'm not go my house.
Your sisters have cook food now. I'm going to go there and chop.
Come, I hope say you know they hide my sister.
When I get peace.
I know say you like pieces. When I get pieces of every time they like a piece. But make you no come the house come pieces. No, they like to be piece. So make you no go come piece my sister. No go dey go abeg.
Oh, abeg. No dey go. When I come back, I have my mother tomorrow.
I know.
That guy carry me up abeg.
See am every time you dey lash. Now they worry you. Abeg no go my house.
I don't go house today. I never see me.
You have to go and collect some. You have to go and collect some.
Hey, Mama. Good afternoon.
Bia. Daniel. Yesterday morning, you left to the field to play football. In the evening again, you left. All those ones did not do you. This morning, as early as possible, you left again. Coming back by this time, you should be ashamed of yourself, Daniel. You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Mama, what have I done now? Ashamed of myself? How? Why?
Honestly, Daniel, you should be ashamed of yourself. Eh? Your mates are making money. Here you are, carrying football, eh? You don't know what you're making. Eh, Daniel?
I will slap you now. Are you mad? Eh? Are you stupid? Look at this game. How dare you talk to me in that manner? Listen, the next time you interfere in I and Mama's discussion, I will slap the living daylight out of you.
Eh?
I will just slap you to hell. Mama, can you imagine this girl?
If you slap her to the hell out of her, she will go to heaven. Yes! If you slap the hell out of her, she will then fly to heaven. And no, a war here, a fulefu.
Mama, the only thing I will tell you here is that all I need is your prayers and support. Finish. You don't have money to support me. You don't have money to establish me. All I need is your prayers. I don't know why you're insulting me every day because of football. Hey. Football is my calling. Football is only what I can do. My friends, every time before they go out to play football, their mother, their father, their brothers and sisters will pray for them and wish them well. But my own is different. You curse me, you abuse me. What is it?
Daniel, my prayers are very, very expensive and great. So I don't waste it on people that are useless, senseless, and stupid. So I have no need of wasting my prayers on you.
Mama, you see me, I am not useless, I am not stupid, but I will make it in life. Yeah. Yes, I will make it in life. This my football career will be my testimony. I will make it in life. Yes, I will prove all of you wrong. I will make it. I will make it in life. Bet me.
Daniel, nobody is treating you bad. We all want the best for you. This football thing that you are carrying up and down will not help you. Neither will it help us. Because they want name.
We are not doing anything. Mama! Why should we do that?
Good morning, Papa.
Good morning, Peace. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Is Daniel around?
What's the time by your watch?
Papa, I really do not know, but it was almost 8 a.m. before I left the house.
And by 8 a.m., do you expect to see Daniel in the house?
I don't understand.
Yes, you should know that Daniel has nothing doing than to go to the football field to while away time playing football. You ask as if you don't know.
I already went to the field but met his absence.
Then go and check Uche or Victor. He might be with them.
Yes. That's true. Let me go.
Peace, come.
Sir?
Why are you wasting time with my son? You know he has no future. Why not do something else with your life?
No, Papa. I am not wasting my time with your son. Daniel needs money to pursue his career. Oh.
He needs money to pursue his career. Let me ask you, when a man refuses to work, where will the money come from to pursue his career? Where will he get the money?
Papa, Daniel is a man. He's working hard on that football pitch.
Ah.
Yes. Everything will be alright by the special grace of God.
You want me to believe that?
Yes. Everything is fine. Let me meet him up.
I'll say everything will be alright. When man refuse to work, they are telling me that everything will be alright. No problem, let it be alright.
Kept you so long?
Well, I had to give Daniel the money he asked for.
You have to give Daniel the money he asked for? Since when did that one start?
Since when did what start?
Since when did you started giving Daniel money? Eh? Daniel that was supposed to cater for you as a woman. You the woman is not catering for him. How is it possible? Yeah? Are you okay at all?
Ebere, Biko, but we are fair. Just hold it right there. Do you understand me? This is my relationship and I run it the way I want.
Sorry.
Better.
This is a relationship. And you run it the way you want. Please remember I am your friend. And I will always tell you the truth.
What truth? What truth are you talking about here? Ebele, let me tell you. Daniel and I loves each other very much. Do you understand me? So it doesn't matter who catches for the other the most. He is my man. And when he needs my support, I should be able to help. So please, keep your advice to yourself. Oh?
Has it got into that?
In fact, it has passed that length.
Really? Please. I am so ashamed of you.
You are ashamed of me?
Yes. Say which way do you useless?
Look at this fool. Do you even have a relationship? Ebere, you're walking out on me? In my own relationship, you want to advise? Do you even have one? Nonsense.
Ada Beke. It's your hair.
Daniel, for real? Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you now. Is your name not Ada again? I'm just appreciating your beauty. Has anyone told you that you're beautiful today?
Daniel, take a good look at me. Of course I know I am beautiful. And hey, don't you even open this your stinking mouth to ask me out because I'm not your class.
Hey! Who wants to ask you out? I'm just appreciating God's work. Nothing else. So I have a girlfriend now. You know my peace of mind. I'm just appreciating your beauty, and that's all. What are you saying? I should not ask you out. Wow, that's how you behave.
At least you have said thank you. What nonsense thank you are you talking about? Daniel, you listen to me. You better go out there and make money like your mates. And stop fooling yourself around this village. Just take a good look at you. Please go get something to do with your life. Oh.
Is your friend okay?
Joe, please let's go.
She's okay, very much okay.
So what is going on in this village? Why is everybody telling me to go and make money? Then they go and make money. Am I the poorest man? Am I that wretched? Or is there something wrong with me that I don't know?
Just find somewhere, rest yourself. Me too, I'm tired though. But I'm happy it ended well. No fights, no argument. Now, did you see my last goal? Hi! Victor Wati and my boy. Now, did you see that goal?
If not that I gave you that pass, would you have been able to score?
That one day. That one day. I'm just happy. No argument, no injury, no fighting.
Yeah,
sorry.
Some days are like that, you know. By the way, what could have stopped Daniel from coming to today's training? Unlike him, he doesn't mix trainings.
I don't know. I was even surprised because he hasn't missed a training.
Yes, unlike him. So I think we should go see him in his house before we go home. So to know if everything is okay with him. What do you think?
Okay, if you say so.
Good friends, yeah.
Did he sustain any injury during the last training?
Victor, none that I can think of. I don't think he sustained any injury. I don't think so. But let's go find out, just in case.
Okay, let's go. Okay, if you say so. Sorry. Yeah. Don't, when you get home, I'll massage you. Sorry. Daniel! Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Who are you people?
We're just coming back from the field where we went to train, but Daniel did not show up today, so we decided to come and check on him to know if everything is okay with him.
Everything is okay with Daniel. He's fine. He went to help his mother in her Akara business.
Akara business?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
That's good, Akoya. Let me ask both of you. Who is deceiving who? Is Daniel the one deceiving you people? Are you both deceiving him? can't you people leave my son alone? Your mates are at home, helping their family doing tangible things. Your own is to be at the football field, playing football every day, whiling away your times.
Papa, I so much believe in this, my talent. Football pays.
Football pays?
Of course.
How much have you earned from it? No, tell me, how much have you earned from football since you started playing?
Papa, we have not started any money yet. But I want you to know that this thing takes time. With time, this whole thing will become a history.
Just patience.
History indeed. Please, just stay away from my son. Leave my son alone. What is all this? You can't go and look for something tangible to do.
But we're not deceiving Daniel. No, just leave.
Well, it's not having issues with us before now. It's not his fault. Don't worry. Eh? Uche, we're not going to give up, okay? This talent will pay us. Let's go. Since Daniel is not home, let's go. You know, everyone there. Don't worry, I just want to go and rest.
God.
Yeah. Sit down. I want to tell you something.
I'm all ears.
Let me start it this way, with this story. When I was a little girl, I love football. I like to watch my counterparts, as in my male counterparts, when they play. And you know, I'm a girl. So, but it keeps on disturbing me to play football, So one day I told my mother about it.
Grace, Ma, why do you only leave the house to go to the field to watch football? Why?
Mama, that is because I love football. I wish I had a man. I would have loved to play football.
I can see. But Grace, you know if you choose to play football as a woman, your body will automatically change to that of a man. Do you want your body to change to a man?
No, Mommy.
Since you don't want your body to change to that of a man, stop thinking of playing football. I know one day if you get married, you will have a son that will have this zeal of yours to play football. Do you hear me?
Okay, Mama.
Are you okay? Yes. So please, I don't want you to go to that place again to go and watch football. I don't want it. I don't want to see you there again. What do you hear me say?
You don't want to see me there again.
What did I say?
You don't want to see me there again.
So go to the kitchen. Go and bring the cup for me. I want to drink at you. Be fast. Be fast now. Hi. You are a woman. You want your body to change to that of a man. Why? I don't understand this, my child said.
Really? Mama, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Please, be honest with me. If you were a male child if you happen to be a male child, would you still have the love for football?
Of course, I will pursue it. I will pursue my dream.
Oh. And you made it clear to me that your mother prophesied to you that you will have a male child that will play football, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what are we saying? The prophecy has come into manifestation. Yes. Your son here, this boy here is the one your mother was talking about. The footballer of our time. Mama, so you know about all these things and you are scolding me. You're shouting that I should not play football. Anything I do about football, you don't even like it. Why? And you know about this. See, I cannot do without. There is nothing that will enter this my head if it's not football. Every day I sleep, I dream of playing in a bigger stadium where there are a multitude of people hailing me, calling me Daniel as a professional striker. Mama, see the likes of J.J. Okocha, Kanu Nwankwo, Daniel Omokachi, my namesake. All these people are big men in this country. They made it through football. So why are you doing this?
See, Daniel, All these people you mentioned, yes, they are big men, but they have people at their back that help them, that sponsor them to be at that level. Look at you. Look at me. Eh? We don't have money. Who will sponsor you? So you have to forget about that one and face the reality. Enter street, make money. Okay, look at you now. You don't have any business. You're not doing any work. Look at our house. You don't have a house of your own. Are you proud as in to say that this is your house? And as I'm looking at you now, you don't even have any plans of getting married tomorrow.
Mommy, I don't even know what you want to. You said I should enter street. If I enter street now, will you be okay with that? Do you know what it means to enter street?
To hustle and make money.
No, that one is different. Street is different from street. Let me play football. Mama, what I need from you now is blessings. I need your blessings, a motherly blessing. You should pray for me. Anything I tell you that I want to do, you tell me, my son, carry on. You have your motherly blessing. Papa will pray for me. That is all I need. I don't need curses. I don't need you to be telling me that it is wrong. I have a passion for this thing. All I need is your support and not curses. Please.
See, I am not cursing you. Rather, I am advising you to do something useful because you will use money to make money.
You use money to make money?
Yes.
Fine. Mama, do you have money? No. Papa has money? No. I don't have money as well. So where will I get the money to make money? Where will I get this money now to start up a business in this village? Where will I get it? Should I go and steal? Or I should enter the street you want me to enter?
Yes. The answer to that is what? To hustle. Cross this bridge now and enter on a main market. You will see your mates there. What are they doing? Hustling. If you go to Aba, you will see your mates. What are they doing? Hustling. If you go to Alaba International Market and other places, you will see your mates. They are all hustling, doing one thing or the other, helping their parents and their siblings. Is your own different? Daniel, enter street, go into the town, join others, hustle, do whatever they are doing,
if you go
and
to,
take care of me.
also go to slots, you will see my mates playing football at the stadium. My mates. Go to slot here. You will see my mates playing football at the stadium. Let me go there.
Go and hustle and make money and take care of us. Everything.
Please have a seat.
No, forget about this. I hope your brother daddy is not around.
No, he's not around. Any problem?
Yes, there's a problem. We exchange funds.
Why? How?
Why not? Your brother Daniel asked me out and I said no. So he got angry and insulted me. I have no option than to insult him back.
My brother Daniel?
Yes.
I don't think my brother Daniel can ask you out because he already has someone else that we all know about.
And that is the more reason why I have to insult him back.
I don't believe you, Ada. I don't.
Well, if you don't believe me, you can as well ask John. She was there when everything happened.
But I didn't say you're lying. No. You're not lying. I know, but I don't believe you.
Are you going to question with me now?
Yes. Just be patient. Have a seat.
I don't have patience. As you can see, I'm ready to go to the street. So are you coming to me now or not?
I will. Okay, let's go.
No, sweet. I'm saying I will stand down with you. Please, come.
Danny, why is your face like this?
Is it your business?
It's none of my business. How could you even approach Ada for a relationship? Upon all the whole girls in this community, you didn't see anyone to approach Ada.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up! Must you talk? Listen, I've told you. Mind your business. Mind your business. Is that what she told you? Just mind your words. If I slap you, just what is your business?
You know you barely eat in this house. Talk more of peace your girlfriend. Or the second girlfriend that you want to bring back in this house?
Come, I will just tear you slap now. Am I your mate?
See, wait, Danny, let me tell you. Your mates are in the city, hustling, making money. Here you are, chasing women.
Your men are in the city making money. Have you made money? Have you made money? Idiot.
Make money.
If you talk noise in anything that concerns me in this house, I will deal with you. Animal. Look at useless fuck.
Don't worry, very soon I will get married.
I will marry you.
I will leave this. Let me see how you feed Papa and Mama. Let me see how you feed Papa and Mama. Useless boy. You carrying boots up and down.
Hey, I'm tired. They want to learn how to play football.
I don't want to learn.
And I'm very, very jealous of you guys.
You are jealous?
Yes, sir.
Why are you jealous?
Look around now. You see reason I'm jealous.
Huh? I should look around. I'm not seeing anybody. The only person I'm seeing here is my peace of mind. Wait, Chelogodi Uche, hold on. Don't tell me you are jealous because of my woman here.
Me? Jealous because of me?
If I say the truth, my boxers no go come off from my waist, Abi.
Say the truth, nah, shame the devil. Why are you jealous?
My guy, you know say you get fine girl. In fact, you're blessed. You know, see, Peace is a very fine girl. She's very beautiful and very sophisticated that every man in his right senses would like to have her. No this girl tight to, no this gadamo, no use this one to.
My guy.
If you gather, I will take him away from you.
You go take what?
Baby, what to?
You know me, you go take. I'm asking him now.
Baby, just stay here. I don't trust this guy, you know. Guy, be cool. You can joke with anything in this life, but you see this my girl here. Don't joke with her. And in fact, I'm tired of people telling me you have a fine girlfriend. Your girlfriend is fine. Your woman is. Guy,
see cops.
Look left. Look your left. Baby, come here. Let me cover you with the blood of Jesus.
I don't want anybody to devour me.
Don't mind this guy. I know his plans. You're saying it in front of me that I should not lose God. You will take my. This guy can devour somebody.
But I'm not a me.
Nobody will devour you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Because look at my girl, my peace of mind. Go and get your own girlfriend now. If it's easy. Those small girls in the village you run after. But see, my guy, honestly speaking, let's not even talk about this because so many people have told me that my girl is fine. I know that for sure. But there is something that is disturbing me, something that is bothering me, seriously.
Baby.
Yeah.
Something is bothering you.
Exactly.
What is it?
Babe, you won't understand.
If she can't understand, at least tell me I will understand. Me, I be your guy now. What thing that happen, guy? What's up? Talk.
Okay. Uche, I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
Is it true that the popular footballer Mikel Obi, is it true that he came from a poor background, a poor family, and he made it through football?
Yes, of course. His parents used to sell bread and akara to feed. Yes.
Huh? His parents used to sell bread and akara?
Yes.
Are you serious? Babe, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No.
Mikel's case and my case is almost the same thing now. My mom sells bread and akara. In fact, she used to add plantain and yam. And more sometimes. So, hold on. So, Mikel's parents sold akara and bread. Then why is it that my mother and my father will not allow me rest in my house? Every time they will be disturbing me, I should not play football. That football is nothing, that nobody makes it through. What is going on? I don't have peace. Apart from this peace of mind God gave to me, I don't have peace in my house.
But wait, Daniel, are you still having the same issues with them?
Every day, if I go to the house now, they will tell me, Daniel, are you sure you want to play football? Are you sure this football team is your career? I am tired of hearing all those things. And if I try to explain to them that even Mikel will be the mother and the fact they saw that she would not even accept. My mom is very, very difficult.
But Daniel, let me ask you. Sure, ask me a question. It's my turn to ask you now. Should I go ahead?
My brother, ask me.
Do you believe in yourself?
Wait, which are you the one saying this to me? Of course now. Don't you believe in me?
Baby, don't you believe in me?
Babe, I believe in you, so much in you.
Since you believe in yourself, I want you to take my little advice. Don't let the treatment you get from your family weigh you down. You know, for the fact that we don't speak our challenges, that does not mean that we don't face challenges. But how you control it is extremely essential and shouldn't be neglected.
Obin,
I'm being honest.
my love, I believe absolutely in you, right? You don't have to let whatsoever your family do to you bother you so much. We are here to be happy. Listen, you are my word best. My best footballer. In fact, I believe so much in you and I know you will make it through football. So don't give up. Alright? In due time, all this will come to an end. And you'll be happy. You know you have me. And I'm your peace of mind.
Yes.
Don't forget I love you.
I love you too.
Even when both of you are making me feel jealous, shy. But that was still good.
Mama, Papa, how far? I'm back.
Hey, welcome.
Well, today's football was very sweet. So sweet, oh.
You scored, though.
Yes, so I scored hat-trick. Hat-trick! 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 Papa, 3 is what? Hat-trick. And they gave me the ball. Hey, big boy, now Daniel is big boy. Alright, let me go inside. People enjoy, you know. Papa, I need good food now. Good food, not this one people are eating.
I cooked your favorite
What? What's the meaning of this now?
Have you seen it? Have you seen the food?
My food is not here. There's nothing at home. And I'm hungry.
Papa? When you were going out this morning, did you give me any money to prepare food for you?
I'm not supposed to give you money. Your husband is there now. He will give you money to cook. Am I your husband? Well said.
He's not my husband, so I don't have to give you food.
Mama, this is a joke. Biko, you should just stop it. I'm very hungry now. There's nothing. Is it a prank? Tell me where there's food. Since morning, I've not eaten anything.
Yeah, I'm welcome. Go back to where you are coming from and eat there. Or are you telling me there's no food there?
Papa, I went to the field to play football now. Can't you see I'm sweating? I just finished training now. I scored hat-trick. There is no food there.
No, not hat-trick. Yeah, they give you a ball. Didn't they give you food?
Oh, they don't give food in the field now. They only drink water.
There are people selling mama put there. They should give you food for scoring hat-trick.
I go now. I don't have. Mama, what is? See, Papa, I'm very hungry now. What is all this one, sir?
Let me tell you something. Let us just cut this short. Daniel, there is no food for a lazy man.
Bam! Oh yeah. I don't like this. What's all this thing said? Daniel!
Come on, come. Buy me coke. That one is your food. What can I do here? You want to eat his favorite. I need to talk. Yes.
The last time I checked, you weren't friends. So what would you possibly want to tell me?
Daniel, I want to give you an advice. Advice that will better your life. And please, I want you to take this advice from me. It will help you. Go to Onitsha or wherever and meet your friends. And hustle.
Make a living for yourself.
Look at this girl. Who told you I have friends in Onitsha? Eh? Who told you I have friends in Onitsha? And if I refuse to hearken to your advice, what will happen?
How is it my business? You will die in poverty that you have chosen to.
It is you that will die in poverty. You see you, if you forgive me, it is you and your useless family that will die in abject poverty. Hey! You are not my God.
Don't even try it. If I were to be your God, oh, Chineke Nama, I think Karimegi, you will remain in poverty and die in poverty.
Thank God you are not my God. Yeah. You can never be my God. Look at you, looking like a bunch of marine spirits.
If you like, listen to my advice.
I will not listen.
If you like, don't listen.
I will not listen.
It's none of my business.
Yes.
If you
going up and down and keep deceiving people up and down.
Look at
who wants to listen to you?
Everybody wearing jersey, up and down, carrying ball.
You're a broad day witch. Broad day black witch. Broad day black witch. You don't have a job in this village. All you go about is to start advising people. Useless advice. You don't even have anything. Look at somebody that wants to be God. Anima. Look at your leg. You have an old woman leg.
What is your business?
Old woman leg.
Daniel, go and make
Look
money.
at your leg, shrink
You
it.
are frustrated.
You have a green
go
leg.
Go and make money.
Broad day witch. Broad day witch.
And I wonder what peace is in you.
Oh, it's our peace, Abi. Look at you, Tolo. Dead woman walking. Hey! Some people are just useless, oh. Anyway, you know what to do.
My love.
Hey, Obi. How are you?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop. I want to go and meet Mama. Ujunwa is there with her.
Oh, that's fine.
Yes.
But I have something for you.
Something?
Mm-hmm.
What could that be?
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes. Okay, my eyes are closed.
Stretch forth your hands.
What else?
Open it.
Money? 1.5. This is big, oh. Hello, what is the money for?
It's for you.
For me?
Yes.
This big money? Where did you get it from?
My uncle came back last week.
Okay.
So today, as he was about leaving, he gave me this money. And I decided to bring it to you, knowing that you need it more than I do.
Chey, I'm shy. 1.5. I've never seen this kind of money since for the past how many months now. It's very big. Take 500 now.
No, I don't need it. It's for you.
All of them?
Yes.
Hey. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. When I talk about pineapple, this will go a long way for me. See, my love, I want to promise you something. Okay. Once I start making money, I will pay you back everything you spent on me. Everything. In fact, I will triple it.
Amen.
Sorry. Really too much. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go and help Mama now.
You go with me?
Yes.
You want to talk at the night?
Shining like this. Tell me, what's the secret?
Shining quoi?
Yes.
Ada, are you trying to mock me?
No, now, come on. How will I mock a beautiful girl like you? I mean, you're so beautiful. Anyways, if only Daniel will stop asking me for a date and focus on you. I know God will work it for two of you.
Daniel?
Yes, Daniel.
Daniel is asking you out?
Of course, Daniel is asking me out. But don't worry, I'm not a bad person, so I will not accept his proposal.
Why do I find it difficult to believe you?
Don't worry. You don't have anything to worry about. I'm not going to accept his proposal.
This bucket is quite heavy. Yes, I should be leaving.
Peace. Okay now, let me go and fetch water. I will be back, yeah? Oh, wow. Peace.
John, how are you?
I'm fine. How may I help you?
Calm down. Your blood too dey hot. See, there's something I want from you.
So, what is it?
I like you. I want us to be close. I want you to be my girlfriend.
Hey! Seriously? Victor, seriously? Of all the girls in this community, of all the shapeless girls, of all the careless girls, you could not see anyone to die in poverty with. It is me. It is me! It is me! Joy!
Shut up that your dirty mouth! See, don't insult me because I told you that I like you. No try am. I just want to manage you. I'm not even asking you to be my girlfriend because I love you. I just want to manage you. Talking about poverty. My family feeds 3 times in a day. As for you and your family, you barely feed twice in a week. So what are you? Rich Joy? Eh?
Victor, is that an insult?
No.
Did you just insult my family?
No. For what? I just gave your family an award. Is that an insult? If that's an insult as you claim, you insulted my family.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault at all. I blamed myself for asking you in the first place. Mugu!
Wait, Joy, are you speaking in tongues? I don't understand the way you're talking. Are you speaking in tongues? Look at this. It's your father that is Mugu. Your entire family, your generation, all of them are Mugu. Your breast is Mugu. Your waist is Mugu. Look at this senseless girl. A girl I'm trying to manage. I'm trying to manage you and you want to manage me. How? Now when I manage or manage him? Look at this girl. Look at. See here.
Hello, Mama.
How are you?
I'm very fine, Mama.
How is your mother?
My mother is very fine.
That reminds me. Chike, your brother, it has been long I saw him. Is he around? Is he okay?
Chike is very fine. Chike traveled long ago to the city to join my uncle in his business.
Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Have you seen it? He's the one. Eh? Hey, I am happy for him.
Mama, thank you.
Congratulations to him.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Hi.
Mama, I need to go now because my mother needs to use this for soup. Eh?
What? Say me hi to your mother.
Alright, Mama. I will, Mama.
Okay,
bye bye. Hey,
Alright, Mama. Bye bye.
Okay.
Go. Eh? That's it. He has traveled to the city to do business with his uncle. And my own son is wasting in the village. Burubolo na pagare anyhow.
Mama, shut your voice. Please, let's do. You know we have had a stressful week.
Hi! Daniel Nwam. Eh? Every day he will be carrying ball around. He be an Abaulu.
Daniel, this one you're seated like this. Are you not ready for the training yet?
Ready for what exactly?
Are you not going to the training with me?
I'm not going on.
What do you mean you're not going?
I don't feel like to go. I'm not in the mood for that place.
Daniel, is it about your family?
What else? In fact, I have so many things going through my mind. I have so many things going through my head right now.
Then I understand how you feel. But you need to stop letting these things weigh you down. What I need you to do now is to focus on your dream. That should be the important thing to you now. Okay? I can see you're not in a very good mood now, so I'll let you be. I'll just go and meet up with Victor so we could go to the field together. Training will tell you today, man. It's gonna be boring, but just be strong.
Alright, bro.
Be strong.
Take care.
Maybe after the training, I'll come around.
Take care.
Yeah.
Daniel? Yes. I hope all is well. Yes, all is well. I have to see. I just hope the two are fine. But looking at her face, she's not okay. Or is she tired of dating my poor brother? Well, I don't know. I have to go.
Hey, I wanna talk about a night pool. I love.
Don't.
What is it? Is there a problem?
You should have told me that you are tired of me.
Where is this one coming from? What are you talking about?
Daniel, you should have ended it all with me first before going to Ada. Daniel, how could you? How could you have chosen to turn me into a laughing stock in this town? No, you should have ended the relationship with me first before asking Ada out.
Mua, ask Ada out. Makaginekwa. No, I didn't ask her out, my love. I can never ask her out. I even told her that I have a girlfriend.
That she is the most beautiful girl in this town.
Oh, no. I didn't tell her that. Is that what she told you? No, she's lying to you. She lied to you, my love. She cannot be the most beautiful girl in this town. You're the most beautiful girl here.
Enough of your lies. I am here to warn you to stay away from me. Do you hear me?
Has it gotten to
Daniel, stay away from me. Not the most beautiful girls in this town.
She's not the most beautiful girl. That girl looks like Puff Puff.
Stay away from me, whatever.
What is going on now, babe? Are you sure this is not you don't want to break up with? What's going on? Baby, listen.
Your face like this? Why are you crying?
Daniel has disgraced me.
What do you mean Daniel have disgraced you? What happened?
He approached Ada for a relationship without ending it with me first, knowing that everybody in this town is aware of our relationship.
You see what I've been telling you about? You see what I've been telling you? Stay away from Daniel. But you refused. Now he has dumped you, father. And that is not even better than you. Yeah?
No, Daniel cannot dump me. It's impossible.
Please, shh. Why will you say Daniel cannot dump you and he have already dumped you? You are the one crying here. Besides, how did you know about it?
Ada told me herself.
Ada told you? Ada told you that Daniel approached her? And you believe it? No. See, in as much as I don't like Daniel, Daniel cannot stoop so low and approach Ada. For what now? What does she have that you don't?
I don't know. I don't want to lose Daniel. I love him so much. I don't want to lose him.
See, I know you love Daniel. You will not lose him. Daniel is your man and he will always be your man. Okay?
Yeah? I cannot lose Daniel. I cannot lose my man. See, I love Daniel so much. I love him. I don't want to lose him. You
can't lose him.
How about the people in this village can't get mad?
It's okay. It's okay. You cannot lose Daniel for Ada. Who is Ada now?
Papa, you sent for me.
Yes, my daughter. Ujunwa, it's a pity you are not able to finish your education. And it's because of my inability to pay for your school fees. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me.
Papa, why are you saying like this? You don't owe me an apology.
My dear, you deserve an apology. Look at your brother that I sent to school. And it's sending him. If I have used that money to train you, I know that things will not be like this for us.
Papa, you don't need to regret that Daniel has disappointed us. Because you don't know what God has in store for him.
Alright, Moja. But let me ask you, what you have read in school this year?
History.
Why history?
Because I want to be a politician.
Politician? Yes. Please keep me alive, so that I can witness my daughter fulfill her dream. Fully you let me through so that I can contribute to her education.
I'm not even thinking about education. The only thing on my mind now is how to get married to a wealthy man so that I can further my education.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, Papa.
It's okay, my dear. Please, once again, forgive I and your mother for not being able to say.
No problem, Papa. I have to go back to the kitchen.
What are you doing?
Vegetable soup.
Wow!
I'm almost done, Papa.
Please, I'm salivating. Go and get food for me. Hey! Like that, I said, you know, continue. That's a good one.
Ada, you won't believe what just happened yesterday. You have come again with this your church to join this village. Must you always talk? What happened?
It's Victor, my dear. Victor approached me yesterday for a relationship.
Hey! What do you expect? They say birds of the same feathers flock together. So tell me, what do you expect?
Not just birds of the same feather flock together. I mean, why are footballers always like this? Must they chase everything they see under the skirt?
Dear, not just footballers. The entertainment industry at large. The rate at which they chase women is alarming. Now tell me, what answer did you give him?
Trust me now, trust me. I gave him the insult of his life. How can that poor old bitch stinky fool? Ask me, Joy. Look at me now. Look at.
Hey, please stand here. Hey, hold there. Let me tell you something. In as much as I hate Victor and his friend, tell me, who are you calling poor and wretched? Victor, of course. Hey, look at Charcoal calling Kettle black.
Hey.
Yes, you are Charcoal and you're calling Kettle black. Tell me, between you and Victor, who is poor and wretched? Oh, you have suddenly become dumb. You can't speak anymore. Madam, I'm a boy in this village. Look, Joy, let me warn you. Let me tell you something. Before you insult someone, take a good look at yourself. Because you're not doing better. Yes.
We are not poor. We're just facing some challenges, that's all.
I can see the challenges by the color of your hair.
Hey!
Just look at your bedroom slippers. You're insulting someone poor and wretched. I'm a boy in this village.
I'll start going to my house.
Bye,
this
bye.
insult is becoming too much.
Bye bye, my dear.
In fact, bye bye.
Bye.
What is it?
Hey, joy in this village. Cho every day. And that is. I'm not a gossip.
Boy, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah, Daniel Ikenna.
Okay, Daniel Ikenna. I'm Mr. Ben.
Okay.
Has anyone told you how good you are with football before? No, I mean, I watched the match till the end. You are a good footballer.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the compliment.
It's all right.
I appreciate.
You know what? I have a meeting to attend and I'm already late.
Okay.
Like I said before, I watched the match to the end.
Ah, thank you.
You are a nice footballer.
Thank you, sir.
Are you with phone there?
No, I don't have my phone with me.
Okay, because I'm not with my card. Just call your number.
Okay, my phone number.
Because I'll put a call across you tomorrow morning.
Okay.
As soon as you receive my call,
okay,
just come. We have a lot to talk.
All right, sir. Let me call my number for you.
Yeah.
090 34 00 3 0 8.
Okay.
Daniel. Save it.
Don't worry, my phone will tell me who you are. Yeah, it's alright.
My phone is switched off. Yes, so once I get home, I will charge it.
It's alright.
Yes.
It's alright. So tomorrow morning, as soon as you receive my call,
okay,
just come over.
I will. Thank you very much.
It's
Thank
alright.
you. Oshe.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Guys,
How far?
oh good now. Who was the man I saw you talking to?
Okay. Mr. Ben.
Which one is Mr. Ben? I've not heard of that name before. Do you know him before now?
No, I don't know him. No. I'm just meeting him for the first time. Yes.
I don't understand.
He said I'm a good footballer. That he was watching the match today because of me. So, that's all.
Really? But you guys stood for a long time. Is that all he said?
Oh, he asked me for my number and he said I should call him tomorrow. That we'll have a meeting.
You should call him tomorrow. That you people have a meeting. Someone you just met, someone that don't even know anything about you. You barely know him and is asking you to call him tomorrow.
My brother, I don't understand though. What do you want me to say? I should say I will not give him my number or what?
It's funny.
He said he watched the match today because of me and that I'm a good footballer and I should give him my number.
I have this feeling that luck has decided to smile at you.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Daniel, read the handwriting on the wall. Firstly, you said that the man told you that you're a good footballer.
Yes, that I play very well.
Secondly, he told you that he stood there to watch the match till the end because of you. Lastly, he collected your number and told you that he's going to call you, that you guys have a lot to talk about.
Yes, that's what he said.
Can't you feel what I am feeling? I mean, the man wants to help you. Maybe he's got sense.
Yo, come to think of it, Daniel, I think Victor have a point.
What points? The man seems to be a nice man, you know, but I don't think he wants to help me. He just,
apart from being nice, if he's the man that I saw, I think he also looks so gentle.
He looks gentle. A man you saw from afar.
And with his big stomach as well.
Well, you're very funny. So everybody that has big stomach are gentle people.
Don't mind.
They don't get energy to fight.
Well, I don't know. You just say like.
That's very stupid.
That's all.
See, don't mind him, okay? See, let's keep our faith alive. I believe that one day, God no go shame us.
At all.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
you believe in us.
No, just they go house now.
How should they go?
Let's go. I'm tired though. I'll go to your house today.
Would you like to travel abroad to pursue your football career?
Yes, so I would like to do that, but we don't have that kind of money, sir.
I have a friend in Europe. He has a football team. I will want you to go there and join him. He will train you properly. And from there you start playing and also get paid.
Sir Ben, I don't think you understand what I just said.
Okay,
so I mean, I don't have money. My parents, they are broke. I come from a poor background.
It's alright. Don't go too far. I'm not asking you to bring money. You understand me?
Yeah.
What I want you to do is just to get the permission of your parents to travel abroad to pursue your football career. You know.
So are you saying that if my parents should, give me the permission to travel, you will sponsor my trip to Europe?
Don't worry. It's left for me to sponsor you. I will take care of everything.
Hey!
Sponsor you. Don't bring any money. I'm not requesting 1 naira from you.
Jeez, sir. Wait, sir, oh my goodness. You will sponsor me to Europe?
Exactly.
Hey!
I am Mr. Ben. What gives me joy and happiness is investing in people. I like determined people. And I can see you are determined to pursue the career you've chosen.
Jesus.
You understand me?
Sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't worry.
Hey, Europe. Sir, you don't know what you just said. I mean, you sponsor my trip to Europe.
Exactly.
I will not bring shishi. Thank you, sir. I will never let you down. Thank you. I will talk to my people. I believe they will ask me to go.
It's alright.
You don't have a choice.
So what you need to do is to get your passport ready and your national ID card. Tomorrow morning I'll put a call across you so that you bring them to me. I will use it to process your visa and some other things.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I'm so grateful.
It's alright.
Thank you. God bless you. I will do just that.
I am blessed.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you.
Ah,
Europe. Europe.
Daniel.
Papa.
Where is this man
from? I didn't ask him.
Eh?
Yes.
You did not ask him. Why? It's very important. You have to ask him where he is from.
Okay, Mama, I will ask him when I meet him. I have a meeting with him tomorrow. So when I meet him, I'll ask him. And he also said I should come with a passport and my national ID card.
Daniel, going to Europe is not 1 naira. What does this man do? What is his job? What job does he do that he wants to sponsor you to abroad? And again, when you get to Europe, he will offer you accommodation. Is that not so?
Papa, honestly speaking, I don't know what he does. Yes, but the only thing he told me that his family are based in Europe.
Oh,
family? Yes.
He's even married.
Obviously.
Daniel, I'm still surprised. Someone who you don't know offered to help you. Ha! Think twice though, he might be a ritualist too.
My friend, will you just shut up? What do you know about being a ritualist?
Daniel, leave your sister alone.
One how?
Leave her alone. Please tell this man that we would like to see him.
Okay. There is no problem, but Kambiakwa also, before asking him to come and see us, I need to ask you this question. Are you sure that football is what you want to do with your life?
Mama, also. How many times will you ask me this question? Eh? It's over 100 times now. Every time, do you want to play football? Do you want... Mama, I want to be a professional footballer. My dreams, every time I see myself in bigger... I told you now, I see myself in bigger stadium. Who knows? This might just be what I'm looking for. I want to be a footballer, Mama. I want to be scoring goal. I want to make you proud, Papa proud, and Nigeria proud.
You don't want to include your sister. In that case, there is no problem. I give you my blessings. I give you my permission. It shall be well with you. And I give you my own permission. You will go and make us proud. In Jesus' name.
Amen. And you have my permission too.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
What is the problem? This one you are seated out here. Is everything okay?
How can everything be okay? How can everything be okay? I don't have any job doing. I don't like staying and doing like this.
Man, when did the affairs of our family start bothering you? Am I complaining?
Do you have to complain before I start looking for what to do? Eh? Me staying at home every day, is it the best? I don't like it. Don't like it.
Man, our major concern now should be for us to pray so that Daniel should succeed in gathering his traveling documents so that he can travel. Because I know that if he travels, he will make us proud. And all these things now will be history. Yeah?
Even at that, I don't like staying at home. I should be out there like my fellow men doing something. I don't like staying at home.
Okay. Will you like to follow us to the junction to fry akara? At least it will keep your mind on thinking.
That one is even better. Tomorrow I will follow you people to the junction. I will go with you on tomorrow. You go.
No problem. Have you eaten anything?
No, not yet. I'm not.
Okay, there is no problem. Let me go and quickly prepare something for you to eat. No, he's drizzling now, so why are you here? Why don't you go inside and sit down? Eh? Biko, I don't want anything to happen to you. Stop thinking.
I want to buy a car. It's like you are done. Yes.
How much?
200 naira.
Take him a fan.
I'm fine. That one is terrible. Don't mind me. Thank you. Don't finish Mama's akara. Thank you. How is Mama and Papa? They are fine now.
Since 2 days now, Mama and Papa, they are happy.
What happened?
My brother will soon be traveling out of the country. So the thought of it alone gives them joy.
Tanya will be traveling out of the country?
Yes. How? Haven't you heard? Hey, so you mean you've not heard? You've not heard about it?
Ujunwa. I'm coming.
See, Akara. You want to party, Mama, take.
This one you're excited to.
That's the size I made for Akara today.
10,250 naira.
Yes.
Ujunwa,
Mama.
Where did you get this money from?
Mama, you know I always tell you to reduce the size of Akara you mold. And as you were not there today, I had to reduce the size and made this big money.
10,250 naira. From that small beans that we grinded.
Yes, Mama.
Hey! I have learned something from you today. Make a lady rock.
What is doing? Wow,
Hey!
you can see you can sell money here.
It's your own share. Hey, God bless you.
10,250 by share of 50 naira.
Oh,
man,
okay. Don't worry. Let me add more for you. The two. Not for taba. Not for taba.
Mama.
God will bless you.
Amen.
At least we will have enough money to save so that we can give to Daniel before he travels.
Give him money for what? For what now? What are you giving him money for?
Don't you know he needs to hold some money before he travels?
But Mama, I don't think they use Naira in Europe.
That is not our concern. Whether they use Naira, pound sterling, or dollar, it is not our business. Our own is to give them what? Give my son money. Mr. Ben will help him to change it to the currency that they will use over there.
You have a point. That's good. He will succeed. Daniel must succeed. He will.
My own son, Daniel.
He will succeed.
I know what he can do. He will make us proud over there.
Hey, look. Would you do it?
What you need to do now for him is to pray and not to be sad over it. Or do you like the way he is wasting his time in this village?
No, Mama.
In that case, you have to be a good girl and pray for him. Pray for your mom.
Is he going to leave me when he travels?
Never. That will not happen when I'm alive. He will do no such thing.
When is he leaving?
We don't know for now, because he's still running around for his visa to come out. But we are very positive about it.
But Mama, have you and Papa met with this man? I am really scared.
You don't have to be scared about it. You don't have to be. We've not met the man for now. We talked with him over the phone. But I'm sure that before he travels, we will meet with him.
It's okay, Mama. Let me go back to the house. My friend is waiting.
There is no problem. Help me tell your mom that I came to see her and met her absence.
I will tell my mother.
Until you're doing a good job. Right. And take care of yourself.
Ebere, what is it? Where are you going? Where do you think I'm going to? I see that your boyfriend's mother is more important to you. For how long will he take you to see her off?
I didn't even spend up to 5 minutes.
Really? Anyway, that reminds me, I have to run an errand for my mother. I heard your boyfriend Daniel is traveling out of this country.
Oh, yes.
Are you sure Daniel is not lying to you?
He can't be lying to everybody.
Anyway, see my dear friend, you have to open your eyes very well. If it's true that Daniel is traveling out of this country, that means you are doomed.
How?
You're asking me how? You don't know he's going to a white man's country. When he gets there, he will abandon you for a white woman. You know white people now, most especially when they see us black, they will give him money and cage him over there.
Come on, Ebere. The mother just assured me that she will make sure he doesn't leave me for another woman. So I have confidence.
Really? Just let your eye be open. That does it. Be very, very wise. I believe you shall. I wish you all the best, my dear friend.
Thank you.
I need to go. You know I have a message to run for my mother before it to get too late.
Alright. Thank you. My regards to your mother.
Good news, Papa.
What is it?
My visa is ready. It's out. So fast, Papa.
Hey! Hey!
I'm so
happy, boy!
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. God is too much.
Tell me, Dad, when are you traveling?
In 2 days,
2 days time.
I was supposed to go. I'll straight arrive Europe and start giving them skillful doing, skillful playing.
Man,
what shall
you are saying you are leaving us in 2 days time.
I am telling you, my visa is ready. Everything is ready.
My son, we are going to miss you.
I will miss you all. I will miss you all.
Hey!
Hey! Thank God.
Hey! Udo!
I thank God for Mr. Ben. Mr. Ben is a great man.
My son, God will bless Mr. Ben.
Exactly.
But I want to ask you something, my son. Please. When you get to Europe, please, be careful. Don't do anything that will bring shame to this family. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Biko.
Wow, Papa. They fall my hands. Why are you saying this now? I always tell you that you should be positive in life. Do not be negative.
You don't join Mama, they do that. It's not
just
good.
an advice.
How will I let you down? Something I've been praying for all my life.
Oh God.
I can never let you people down.
I know you
I will
must
make
succeed.
you proud.
You must succeed.
Amen.
You will surely. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Who the Brits?
He choke.
Who the Brits?
Mommy choke.
Papa, my son. European born guy.
My son.
I've heard you, Papa.
Just take care of yourself. Make sure that you keep to what we told you.
No problem. No problem, Papa.
I want you to take care. I know that you are going to make us proud. Do anything that will trouble you over there. I know you are going to make us proud, and I know you will succeed over there.
I will succeed. Yes.
My son, we are looking forward when you will be coming back to Nigeria. With your goodies.
Let me go first.
Oh,
Papa, I have to run along.
It's okay.
Mr. Ben is waiting for me at Apple Junction. So I should be there fast.
It's okay.
So I won't miss our flight.
One, my brother.
Okay now. Thank you very much. Papa, greet Mama.
It's okay. It's okay, my son.
I'll call you once I get you.
Hey, Danny boy. Ah, God. I will be alive. I know you will keep me alive till the day my son will come back to this Nigeria. Hey! Onye can go, but can't go over Chafu. Ah! Danny no. Mr. Jameson, even when the was even. Oh! Dadeba, oh God, they can't feel.
Papa, is Mama and Ujunwa around?
No, they have gone to the market. And I'm on my way to join them.
Oh, that's fine. Is Daniel around?
Daniel, didn't he tell you?
Tell me what?
That he's traveling to Europe.
Oh, yes. Papa, he told me.
He left yesterday.
He left yesterday?
Yes. Are you not aware?
Oh, yes. Yes, he told me. Thank you, Papa.
What is wrong with her? Does it mean that Daniel did not tell this girl the day he was traveling? Why? Why will he do that? No, it can't be. I don't have any issues. Why would Daniel do a thing like that?
Oh, damn.
The number is not connected.
How do you mean? It's not the same number that Mr. Ben gave to us.
Are you sure they did not have a plane crash? Hey, Chimo!
Why are you always negative about things? What do you mean by plane crash? They did not have any plane crash, I beg. My son will not have plane crash.
Then why have they not contacted us since they traveled? Try it again, try. Is it ringing?
Your phone is not going. It's not going.
Hey! Chimo! Let it not be that they have used my son for money rituals.
Woman, calm down.
Daniel, God, please.
Calm down.
Let nothing happen to my son, no? He's the only son that I have, oh. My only son.
But why is the number not connecting?
It is better for Daniel to stay at home than to travel, and I will not hear from him.
Till
when? Hey! Hey!
Why is this number?
Chimo!
I don't want my mother to hear this. How will you allow such thing to happen? How?
I caused it. caused it? How do you mean?
I made him do it. I love him. I love Daniel so much.
Have you told his mother about it? Have you told his mother about this?
Not yet.
What are you waiting for? Eh? What are you waiting for?
Listen, you're my friend. I will not deceive you. I don't want you to go into abortion. You know abortion is evil.
Either do I want to. I feel I should tell his mother first.
Better go and do that now. Besides, let's just go. Let me see you off. So, you know, if my mother hears it, it looks on her. Let's go. Let me just use. Wait, what did I hear you say? You are pregnant for who?
For Daniel.
Daniel, my son. Hey, that's good news. Good news. I'm happy. But where is Daniel? What do I do now? Eh? Hey! This is pregnant for Daniel. What do I do?
Mama, why are you shouting?
Tell me, why won't I shout? Eh? Ever since Daniel traveled, I've not heard from him. And now you are pregnant for him. What do I do and where do I start from?
You've not heard from Daniel yet?
Not.
Why, Mama? Why? Why?
God, what do I do?
Should I abort it?
What? Don't ever think towards that direction. Did you hear me? What is wrong with you? That is my grandchild we are talking about. I don't want anything to happen to it. If anything happens to that pregnancy, you have me to contend with. Please, keep it. I need it. We need it. Please.
Mama, you've not heard from Daniel. I have not heard from Daniel. Mama, what do you want me to do? What do I do now? What do I do?
Cool down. Calm down. We need you, baby. I trust God will hear from him, okay? Don't tamper with the pregnancy. Please. Okay? Please. Make sure you keep my grandchild, though. Keep it, oh. This is good news. It's supposed to be good news, but Daniel. Chimo, Daniel, is that you? Hey! Thank God, God, I thank you. Ah, Daniel, you did not do well now. Eh? Many months now since you traveled, you did not even bother to contact us. We have been worried about you. What happened? Eh? Hey! Congratulations, my son. Your father and your sister, they are all well. Don't worry, I will tell them. They will be happy to hear from you. We have been worried about you. My son, how is Europe treating you? You are no longer in Europe. You are in Malaysia now as you talk to me. Oh, Wamo, that is good. Hi, congratulations. Hope everything is going on well. It's okay. You call me later. Biko Wam, Atopula manya nama. Make sure you call or keep on calling. We are well and managing. Oh, I'm very, very happy to hear from you, my son. I'm happy.
Ada, wait! Ada, I've been calling you since.
What is it? Who is chasing you?
Nobody is chasing me.
So why are you running like this?
The news is everywhere. I have gist for you. I have something to tell you.
What happened? Did anybody die?
Nobody died. Peace. The Peace that you and I know is pregnant.
You mean Peace is pregnant? But how?
As a matter of fact, she's 6 months pregnant. She has been hiding it. But you know now, you know that pregnancy cannot be hidden forever.
Does she know who is responsible for the pregnancy? I mean,
That I don't know. But trust me, before the end of today, I will find out.
I trust you. But don't you think Daniel is responsible?
Daniel?
Yes.
Daniel has left the country long time ago.
You never can tell, you know. Anyways, I can't wait to see her.
Now, wow.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay.
That you now hawk pure water along the streets.
I need to do something to earn money. My baby and I are starving. Why did me Mama, it's not my fault.
And you never cared to tell me? Don't you know it's my responsibility to take care of you and the baby?
Mama, I know. But you and your family barely fit. I don't want to add to your stress.
It's true that Daniel have not started sending money home. But at least we can manage and take care of you. It is my duty and my responsibility. I've already told you to come and stay with us. You refused. The reason best known to you.
My mother asked me to stay back. Mama Bike Wenue, does Daniel ask about me at all?
Every time. He asks after you. And I tell him that you are okay, you are fine.
Why don't you tell him I'm carrying his child? Mama, I'm suffering. I'm suffering. Mama, tell him now. Tell him.
I know.
Tell him because
I know you are suffering. I know everything. But the truth is that I don't want Daniel to be distracted. I don't want that. I want him to be focused.
In other words, I am a distraction to Daniel. Hey, Mama. This pregnancy is a distraction to Daniel?
No, Mama. It's not what I mean. Don't get it twisted. See, you know the reason Daniel traveled abroad? To search for greener pasture. So I don't want him to be, I want him to be focused. I don't want anything to distract him. I don't want him to stay there and start thinking after you and about you and the baby. You know, he won't be relaxed, he won't be focused. So I want him to make big money and come back here, and all of us will benefit from it. Try to see it my own way. Because you are not a distraction to him at all.
It's okay, if you say so. What will I do? Already I'm pregnant. Mama, you asked me to keep it over you, Follow
me, let us go home. Let me give you something. I'll give you food and pack some things for you, okay? I just want you and my baby to be okay. And how is my grandchild doing?
Mama, she's speaking very well.
Did I hear you say she is? How sure are you that he's going to be a girl?
Mama, that is what I asked God for. And I know he can never disappoint me.
And there is no problem. Boy or girl, what I really need is a baby, a grandchild, a child I will call my own. Peace. Thank you so much for loving my son from the deepest part of your heart. And thank you also for keeping with the baby.
Mama, I love Daniel so much, and I can never do anything to hurt him. And thank you for the food.
It's my duty to make sure I take care of you and give you food, so that my baby will be kicking fine.
Mama.
And once again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Mama, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Eat. If this one will not be enough for you, I'll go and dish more.
Mama, you want to eat one more? Don't give me with food.
I want you to be strong.
Mama! Hey! What you want? He's also people come outside. Hey!
I don't enjoy. So you both are here.
We were just passing by and decided to come and check on our friend. Is that not so?
You did well. Thank you very much.
Ujunwa. We heard that Peace is pregnant and we haven't been seeing her lately. Is it true?
And we also heard that Daniel, your brother, is responsible. But then, how is that true? Because from what we know, your brother is not in this country.
Exactly my point, Ujunwa. My own is that you people should not mistakenly accept another man's child though. I said my own.
Is this why you people came? I see. Yes, Peace is pregnant and my brother is responsible for her pregnancy. Are you satisfied now?
Look, we mean no harm, alright? We just came to find out based on the good friends that we are.
Indeed, a good friend. Thank you very much.
We have to go now. No problem. Alright. Take care of yourself, bro.
My regards to your mom when she's back.
Alright, though.
Bye-bye. Stop looking at us like that.
Adio.
Dash. Gossipers.
Birds of the same feather flocks together. Gebas, you went to play football. Fools. So I'm not talking to you people, ba. Even if you people cannot see me, you people don't have ear to ear, ba. Njala, useless set of people. Don't go and look for what you do. Look at your mate in the city. But as in, I make business. Makoro.
Maybe in a bubble. Njala.
Look at this cookie. Never cookie boy. Hi! Unlike me, I just controlled my temper.
Me too, bro. I don't know why that dirty pig had decided to be troubling us in this village. Oh.
The fact that her brother traveled to the city will make her to see every other guy as useless as a dump.
That dirty pig should thank her stars. That made one of my good moods today. If not, oh, I would have dealt with her. That girl don't have any respect. Look at the way she just spoke to us. Two full-grown men. Because she's seen us in this village with her.
If it was before.
I should have the gut.
Uche, if it was before I, Victor, like I said earlier, I just controlled my temper.
I don't know why everyone believes in this village as if we are stupid. We don't know what we're doing. This is a career, it takes time.
I think it's me. Let's go, we're already late.
Imagine this dirty pig insulting us.
Let's go.
Easy.
No problem.
Hey! Look what we need. This is fine. No, you don't need to do this. Stop! You shut up. What are stop now? What are friends for? Oh! Thank you. May God bless you. God bless you. Hey! This is food though. Please. What did you even do to your mother that made her not to give you food? Listen, she has even tried. Maybe she's tired of catering for me and my people. And besides, the woman doesn't earn much money daily. She's poor and frustrated. So I don't understand that. I don't blame her. It's all my fault. It's okay. Please stop blaming yourself. See, believe in God that someday everything is going to be alright. Okay? See, once you get her, give her this card. Kneel down and apologize to her. She will forgive you. Apologize to her. Tell her that you are very sorry for bringing shame to the family. Why are you crying? No. As is only the mayor I just don't want to hurt it. It is well. Let me run alone. Am I crying? I'm not crying. Why will I cry? No. It's okay now. I'm not crying. How do you want me to feel when you're crying? Or how do you want the bunch out to feel? Okay? Sorry. Alright now, take care of yourself. Okay, don't cry again. No, I'm not crying. Okay? Hope the baby is doing well. Alright, bye. Yeah. May my God bless you. May He bless it. So, God, please grant me a safe delivery. I never knew Daniel can stay without me. I'm not sure he asks of me. He has gotten another woman in that country and abandoned me here. What I don't understand is why his mother won't tell him that I am pregnant for him. God help me, please. In less than no time, I will deliver. Please help me, God.
Mama, so you're happy like this. What's the good news?
Tell us, let us rejoice with you.
Hey!
What is it?
Just look at me very well. Look at me. Eh? Both of you are looking at the latest grandma in this entire village.
It's a
lie, Mama. Has Peace put to bed?
Ha! Hey! I am just coming from the maternity now.
You don't mean it? Ah, congrats to her. What gender?
Congratulations to us.
Yes, congratulations to us.
Yeah.
What gender?
She was just delivered of a bouncing baby girl.
Eh?
Oh!
Hey!
Hey! Oh, I cannot thank God enough. I cannot thank my God enough.
Hey, Mama, I'm very, very happy. In that case, we need to inform Daniel about Peace and the baby.
Bikono, nobody should inform Daniel of this.
Also?
I said no one should tell him about this. Biko, until he returns.
Until he returns?
Yes.
Do you know when Daniel will return? Eh? So you'll be here, taking care of Peace and the baby, not knowing if Daniel is the father or not.
I beg, please don't say that again. Don't even go there. Daniel is the father of the baby. I am 100% sure of that. 101% sure of that. I'm sure.
Okay.
Mama, let's not catch Peace at the end. Daniel won't marry.
I know my son. He will marry her. Peace is not going anywhere in this house. She will be in this house. I don't want anyone to distract him. I want him to make enough money and come back. We go.
Well, I hope you know what you are doing.
I know what I'm doing 100%.
It's okay.
Mania o meremo, njinekele ya o, njina jaya mbai. Mania o meremo, njinekele ya o.
Ebere. Hey! I was about knocking at your door.
Is that the vegetable my mother asked for?
Yes, so yes.
Alpha, I'm fine. Haven't you heard?
Heard about what? Just what is it?
Peace has put to bed a bouncing baby girl.
Peace, think more. Yes.
Yes.
Papa, thank you. Where are they?
Still at the maternity house.
Maternity? Which of the maternity hospital? Tell me.
The one immediately after the junction.
Oh, kid, my office have given it to her.
So Daniel is now a father.
Yes. Daniel is now a father without even knowing it.
What do you mean?
Daniel doesn't even know that Peace was pregnant, let alone delivering a baby.
How is that even possible?
Peace said that her mother has refused to inform him about everything just because she doesn't want him to be distracted with everything he's doing there.
That's selfishness. How can she hide such a thing from her son?
And you know the worst part of it is that since Daniel traveled, Daniel have not communicated with Peace. And that is very bad. I don't think that girl should be happy. Like, I don't know.
No, I am not in support. How can Daniel accept this when he comes back? Since he hasn't been informed from the beginning. How?
You know, I just pity that poor girl. I just pity the poor girl. I heard that she has gone back home. I think we should go and visit her.
Not today.
That's by the way, Daniel has not contacted any of us since he traveled. I just hope everything is well and okay with him. Unlike him.
Change is the only thing that is constant.
get that into your head.
So the change now is now starting from us.
It's well. Such is life.
I just hope he's fine. I miss that dude, you know. I miss him.
My mother. Is Mama around? Is there any problem? No. Yes, so there's problem. Uncle, I need food. I need to eat so that I can breastfeed my child. And there's no hope of food for me in my mother's house today.
Wait, so we don't have food, but we have gari. Should I make gari for you so that you can soak?
No, it's not good for an early stage nursing mother. Because remember.
So what do we do now? Because my mother went out to borrow money from her friend. You know, today we didn't fire car at the junction because the security people seized our properties because we are still owing them, haven't paid them.
Hey! I am hungry. I need to eat so I can breastfeed my baby.
Have you tried Ebere for help?
Yes. Ebere has done so much for me already. And I don't wish to bother her. She has done a lot.
What do we do now?
Ujunwa, give me water, let me drink.
Please.
How
are you?
I'm fine. That's my brother.
Please. It's so good to see you.
Daniel.
Yeah. This is me.
This is you.
How are you?
Oh my God.
How are you?
Then I'm fine. Then you look amazing. Oh my word, you look. God.
This is me, peace.
Are you just coming in?
Yes, I'm just coming in.
Just arrived.
Yes, just arrived.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your mother sent for us.
Us.
Yes, Mama sent for them.
Them. Who?
My daughter and I.
Your daughter?
Yes.
You now have a child?
Yes.
How come? When?
Daniel, you know you are just coming in.
Okay, it's okay. You're actually going to my house, right?
Yes.
The sun is too much. Why don't you just hop in? Let me take you. I'm going to my mother's house as well. Yeah.
Your car?
One of my cars.
Daniel.
Would you enter?
Daniel.
Let's go. Let's go.
Your car is fine. Hey.
Seriously. So why didn't you people tell me about this?
My son, I'm sorry I caused it. Blame it on me. I told them to hide it from you because I wanted you to be focused. I want you to make it big. We are sorry. I'm sorry.
Please.
Please, we are sorry. Forgive her too.
Peace.
My son, it is not her fault. She really loves you. I can tell you that.
What is her name?
Chinasa.
Chinasa.
I did. Go. I love you.
I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for letting you go through all this pain and stress for the past 3 years.
Okay.
I'm back now and everything will be okay. Go to mommy. She's beautiful and she looks like you.
Yes, but she has your eyes.
Peace. I really want to thank you for everything. I'm so sorry it happened like this. You are indeed a strong woman. I'm sorry. And I also want to thank you for everything. For taking care of her up to this moment. Thank you. Thank you so much.
She's a good girl.
Indeed. Mama? I've been in this town for the past 2 months.
2 months? Doing what?
Yes. I've been looking for a house to buy for the past a month, and now, through the help of my bosom boss, Mr. Ben, I'm looking for a more befitting house for you all. Yes, a house that will suit my family. And to God be the glory. I have seen one. And I bought it.
Hey! Okay, no.
Through the help of Mr. Ben. Exactly. And I'm here to tell you all that first thing tomorrow morning, you all will be leaving this unforsaken building to a more befitting building.
Oh my God!
Papa, thank you. Papa, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Daniel, my son. I said it. I know that you will make us proud. I know you will make me proud. I know you will make this family proud. I said Mama. It. And it has come to pass.
Stand up. Sit. It's okay. I know.
I should sit.
Sit.
Hey.
Sit. You're a wonderful woman.
Hey.
You're a wonderful woman.
Hey.
God bless you. Yes, sir. So first thing tomorrow morning, don't even come with anything. If I will demolish this building, okay, and erect a proper one here. But you guys are moving to a beautiful one. Everybody has his or her room. Yes, with swimming pool. Exactly. Exactly. Yes.
We leave this house.
You will leave this house
to a better one.
Air conditioned, AC is inside there.
It's
I told you not to think.
Mama, enough. I will also want to go to Peace Mother.
Each year?
Yes. That poor woman has tried.
Yes.
Yes, I need to go and see her. It is not easy for her to accept her in her conditions of then, and also minding the way that she got pregnant and all that. I want to go and meet her and appreciate her and then do the needful.
Okay, thank you. That is.
Okay. Well, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Congratulations, one day. Congratulations. A lot of boys have changed one day. Then again, I'm now. Oh, you're born in Europe. Okay, you're born in Europe.
Well, I thank God for everything. I am so happy. Yes, I am not lucky. I am blessed. Yes, all my dreams has finally come into manifestation. And I also thank Mr. Ben. That man is a godsend. Without him, my guy, I don't know how I would have lived on earth.
God have settled you. I'm
telling you.
Look at you now. Okay, because you're an international footballer now. Top striker. Okay, I was born in Europe now. Okay, because I was born in Europe.
My guy. You see one thing about these footballers, especially this Lionel Messi.
Yes, now.
That guy is very brief.
The best people short now.
Very short.
It's okay.
My guy. Came across this guy, Victor.
Now more come Victor. You're supposed to be here with me.
On serious fellow. Anyway, I have something for you, my guy.
I
have something for you.
Ego
na for
can't you say
yes, off you, my guy.
Na Europe. Na Europe.
One more thing, Uche. I want you to get ready, okay? By next month, I'll be going back to Europe. So I want you to get your passports, your international ID card, and your international passport ready. Okay? You are going with me to Europe. Yes.
I'm going with you to Europe.
Exactly. I'm taking you there.
My phone will dream because I'm gonna say, I'm not coming down on it.
It's reality, my guy.
You know, when you travel, no, you didn't even call us. We thought that you're not even coming back again. Everybody was worried. You know, even Peace was worried. Everybody was worried.
I cannot forget home now. I left home to feed home. No. Yes. Don't worry, to get to your turn, Hey, Polo, is that a Polo? Yes, that's Polo, Polo, and also, my family, they'll be leaving this village. Yes, I'm taking them to a new house, a new furnished apartment I bought for them.
You have furnished, you bought a house.
I bought a house now for my family.
European money, European burger. Okay, let's go. I'm one. Hey, Umaza Panicham the village. European I call. European I call.
Alright, welcome to your new home. Come
Daniel!
Mama. Welcome.
Daniel!
Yes.
This is your house.
Our
house.
Hey! Chimo! You're not dreaming. Reality, I told you. This is my house. This is where you guys will be staying from now till forever. Damn! My God.
Hi! Chineke!
Yes, sir. Hey! Danny boy! Chimo got that dog for us. Let's snap you, Mama.
I can sit down.
Mama, let me snap pose. Mama. Look at the picture. Danny boy! Hey! This is beautiful. Yes. Look at that. Let's go up so you see the rooms. Yeah, upstairs. That's
Chimo. Now you papa cooking and that's for shoe there.
Papa, don't remove any shoe. Don't bring your locality.
Daniel isn't paying attention to me since he came back. Is he still in love with me or not? What is my fate? We haven't had a soul-to-soul discussion since he returned. What could be going on in his mind? Oh God, please help me. think is going on in Daniel's mind?
I don't understand.
Do you think Daniel is still interested in me?
Yes, please. Why do you think he's no longer interested in you?
I'll explain. He doesn't look at me. We've not had our moments together ever since he returned. He doesn't have my time. It's obvious he doesn't even want me. I'm getting frustrated. I just want my man back.
To conclude, please allow Daniel to digest the whole drama that we hid from him. Please.
Oh yes, I get it now. Maybe I should just go back to my mother's house and stay with my mom. And I'm happy. I am happy that he is here with his child. He has his daughter and now I can just go back.
Calm down. I know my brother. Everything will be okay. If he's not interested in you, he wouldn't have brought you here. Besides, we just moved into this house. Please, allow him to settle down, okay?
Okay. You're advising me to allow him to digest this whole drama. That's fine. I've suffered so much.
I know.
I don't want to lose my man. I believed so much in this love. I believed so much in Daniel.
I know.
Okay, that's fine. I'll go in and...
Mama, you said you don't want anything. You don't want to drink anything.
I want to discuss something with you.
Yeah. Okay, I'm all ears, Mom.
It's about you getting married. I want you to marry.
Mama, marriage. Mama, you're funny, yo.
Daniel, it's not funny. It's not a laughing matter. I want to have grandchildren. I need them.
But you have a grandchild already. Naza is there now for you.
I know Naza is there, but she's not enough. I need many grandchildren. And I want you to do something about it, Biko.
Okay. Actually, Mama, I never wanted to mention this to you, but let me just say it since you have brought out this conversation. There's this girl I want to marry, actually. Yes. And I'm planning, very soon everything will come into manifestation and I'll let you know.
Excuse. Did you say you have, as in, there is this girl you want to marry, not peace? Who could that be?
Mama, you said I should marry, that you need grandchildren. I'm telling you now that there is this girl I want to marry, but calm down now. You will see her. You will know her when the time comes. Huh?
But what about peace? What is her fate?
Peace is my baby mama. She is the mother to Naza now, you know.
Baby mama? Ha! Mbano. Peace is a nice girl. She is hardworking. She is humble. Now you are talking about marrying someone else. What will be her fate?
Oh, excuse me. Hello? Okay, let me just call you back, okay, so we can discuss properly with my mom here. Mama, please, let's have this conversation some other time, I have a business call to attend and it's very urgent.
Wait. Daniel,
Mama?
Are you indirectly asking me out of your sight?
No, just go inside now. You have AC in your room. Chill. If you want anything, you order. You press the... It's very simple. Just go. I didn't bring you here to this place to be asking me questions. I just want you to enjoy.
I know I have those things. We are talking about your future. We are talking about peace here.
Mama, there shall be peace in this house. Yes, my guy. I was about calling you. How far? Now $5,000 to go do. $7,000.
Where are you going to? Now things are getting better. You want to leave? Please, do not try it.
Ujoma, I do not understand what you're talking about. What do you mean things are getting better? Can't you see?
Please, do not take a decision that you will regret.
I appreciate the love, the support, the care, everything you and Mama has done for my daughter and I. But just look around. It's obvious Daniel doesn't want me.
How are you sure? How are you sure?
I don't want to be forcing myself on him anymore. I don't want to force things.
Hello? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. We're coming. Okay, bye-bye. Peace. Good news. Daniel wants to introduce the woman he wants to marry to us. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go first. Let's go.
Please just see. Do you know what? I'm tired of all this.
It's okay. Let's go first. Let's go see. Seeing is believing. Let's go.
Oh.
Let me take the bag aside.
Don't worry, I'll just leave from there.
No.
He wants to introduce the woman he wants to marry, right?
Yes.
Fine, let's go see her, then I'll leave from there. Let's go. It's very simple.
Let's go first. Let's go.
I'm so sorry for everything. Yes. And also, I really want to thank you for everything you've done in these past few years. Your loyalty is second to none. I mean, my mom and my dad has confessed to me that you are one of a kind and you are a good woman. And I want to take this relationship to the next level, a higher and a bigger one.
Tanya.
I just want you to look at your back and see this wonderful picture staring at you. Take a good look at it. You like it?
Tanya, I can't.
Do you mind? Yes. Marry me. Let's do it. You should get together.
We are waiting. Let's keep us waiting. Mom.
Come on. Just, yes. So
I love you.
Please, you are standing up.
She told me you was going to introduce another woman I met.
Alright, let's get to last call. I do not know. This one.